kilid sa interview portion sa Lamanta.
Hello, check.
Ala,
Mic check.
nag-check yun, no? I-ready yun na to atong mga equipment, no? Okay, Sir John Patrick and Miss Arbona May. Couples? How many years?
6.
6 years. Gani ha? 10, 5, karon 6 naman. How do you feel sa tong 6 years? Sige.
Okay ba? Among
Stay.
height, di na mo tubo, pero among relasyon, go pa rin.
Ay, sana all. Sana all. Sige, sige. Ato na tanawo no sa inyong performance sa inyong movie choice. Now, nahuman na ang X and Y's, nahuman na ang Barcelona. You will now have you will only have 3 choices now. Okay, starting over again. Paano na kaya? And one more chance. Okay. One More Chance starring John Lloyd Cruz and Bea Alonzo. I-proceed sa atong script. You will now be paying Popoy and Pasha, the famous Popoy and Pasha. Okay? 1 minute to internalize and read through our script. 1 minute starts now. 2, and there you have it. Are we ready? Pair number 3. Ready na ba? Ready na, kaya naka-workshop na sa GMA, Artist Center. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, please help them start sa atuang acting game. Again, One More Chance, starring, of course, Sir John Patrick and Miss Arbona May. Lights, camera,
Paano mga pangarap natin, Basya? Yung kasal, akala ko walang magbabago.
ay,
Basya, paano na tayo?
ay.
Walang tayo, Patrick.
Ang pangalan, Judina. Oh my God! Asang 6 years? Oh.
Ganun lang yun. Basya, 5 years yun.
Eh?
Itapon mo lang lahat. Hindi mo na ako pwedeng bigyan pa ng isang pagkakataon para maayos to.
Eh?
I already gave 5 years of my life, boy. It's about time to give me what I want.
Basya, but you're asking for too much.
And I felt the eye contact, no? Grabe kayong eye contact, oy. Thank you so much. There you have it. Pair number 3, Sir John Patrick Guzman and Miss Arbona May Nova. Let's give them